you're looking to start a future technology cash cow channel, which we'll be going over in just a few seconds, I want to let you know congratulations, you're in the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a future technology niche channel, I want to start out by showing you guys what a great one looks like so we can draw some inspiration from. Let's switch over to viewer mode and let's go investigate on YouTube. Now we have to think, what would someone interested in the technology niche look up? As I put in technology advancement in the search engine, all three videos seem credible because there's not a personality behind the channel. So I'm just gonna go with the second one. So just by starting off the video, I'm seeing I don't even know what I was seeing right there, to be honest. The channel's called Top 5s and this is called the Spin Launch. So they're gonna be going over and displaying different technologies that have emerged in the world so far. So we got some rockets launching into the space, and what I see right here is this is easily free stock footage that you can easily download on the internet. Just simply look it up. There's also most likely a voiceover going on in the background as well, taking you through the video of what these specific technologies do and how they have helped the world out. The great thing about these kind of videos is that you don't have to reveal your face. You don't even have to do the voiceover yourself. So anybody can easily do this. You can easily do this yourself. You can hire someone to do it for you. And that's the great thing about this. You have endless doors to go down. Now let's go check out the video's performance. As we scroll down, I can see that the channel itself, Top 5s, has over 2.5 million subscribers. The video itself has close to 7.5 million views, and the amount of engagement we have is close to 3,000 comments. Now let's go check out the channel to see if it gives us more information on different gadgets or different technologies that we haven't seen just yet. So as I go into the channel page, I can see that this channel is called Top 5s, and this is mainly a top 5 kind of channel, right? So they do have top 15 related content, top 15, whatever the case may be, but this also has information close related to technology as well, as we have the different types of wind turbines right here. We have a video of the different sized aircrafts right here, and we also have the technologies of different vehicles as well. So this is a great blend of top 5 and technology intertwined to make their content. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, how do you think technology will change in the next 10 years? Now let's go check out how this channel's monetization is going. Let's go over how many views this channel is getting and how much money they're making in AdSense alone. So if we go into this website, we can look up the channel statistics. As I scroll down, we can see that over the past 30 days, this channel has clocked in over 17 million views, and that is just a crazy milestone to be achieving. Congratulations to this channel. That does tell me that there's an audience interested in the type of videos that this channel is producing. To look at their monthly earnings, this channel has made the 5-figure mark, as they're making over 70,000 in just monthly earnings just by people watching ads on their videos. And just for the year, these guys are close to that 7-figure mark. They're making those 6 figures for the year. They're going in at $850,000 each and every year just on people watching ads on their videos without revealing their face in any of the content. If you are enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go see just how easy these videos are to make. Let's go collect our stock footage, our sounds, and let's put it all together. And no, you do not even need to record any videos or buy the most expensive camera, and you do not even need to show your face within these videos as well. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like putting a robot together, only the process is easier. How to do, guys, on my 10-second video, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Now it's time to go over, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the futuristic technology niche does get the green light stamp of approval, as there will always be future advancements in technology as time passes on. These technologies will create big headlines, and all that means is that viewers will be interested in watching more of your content as well. This is a high CPM niche as well, as you will be getting more per 1,000 views. The technology niche is also a sub-niche of the wealth niche. A bonus is that these videos are easy to make, and YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now, I just want to let you guys know that the videos that we went over in this video and the channels that we went over, I hope you guys can use them as inspiration. Please try not to copy them and just be as original as you can with your own content. This is also just one niche. We're going to be exploring many other niches in future videos as well. But let's say this is the niche for you. Now you have two options. Option A, you can do this yourself, but you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're going to try and figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B. You can have the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If this is something that you'd be interested in doing yourself, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be exploring the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to TubeGrade if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. Check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint linked in the description below if you are interested in making money with YouTube without making any of the videos. Peace out.